Are you a new YouTuber struggling to keep your audience engaged, or you're stuck on the type of content to create for your audience? Welcome to today's video, where I'll be sharing 10 unbeatable content ideas to captivate your viewers and keep them coming back for more. Welcome back to my channel, guys. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you for always coming back to watch my videos, and if you're a new subscriber, welcome to the family. Please don't forget to hit the red subscription button to subscribe to my channel, because I'll be giving you value for your time. And also like and drop a comment if you enjoyed watching. So let's get right into today's video. Number one content idea is first impression videos. Now, first impression videos basically has to do with content that deals with giving your first thought or impression about a particular thing. It could be a new city or a new place you explored. It could be a food that people are really hyping. It could be trying out new products, like maybe you just tested a new product or you tried out a new product. Now, the second content idea is answering frequently asked questions that is related to your niche. A lot of people are going to YouTube to look for a particular thing, and these things might be related to your niche. Let's say, for instance, you are into beauty or skincare. Now, people might be going on YouTube to check for different type of products, for probably product for oily skin, product for dry skin, type of product to use. Your videos should be answering questions like that. You could probably create a video around skincare products for oily skin, skincare products for dry skin people. Those type of content actually does well on YouTube. The third content idea is rants. Now, I feel like a lot of people don't do this type of videos. I can remember I actually did a rant video that was like, I think years back, should be 2 years now, I think, where I got a ring light. That was my first ever ring light. So I got that ring light on pre-order, but that ring light kind of came later than I expected. So I actually did a video. I talked about how I got my order late, how I ordered for the ring light, and how I was a bit scared, because you guys know now vendors these days. I did a rant video concerning that, and that video actually did well. So that's another content you can kind of adopt to your channel. Fourth content idea you can actually adopt for your channel is product review videos. This kind of videos does really well on YouTube, like giving a review about a particular product. Could be about a skincare product you got, could be about the gadget you got for your YouTube channel, could be about your microphone, could be about your LED lights, could be about a particular phone you got. Just anything products. It will also help people make decisions, buying decisions, when they want to purchase that kind of product. So actually, those kind of content does well on YouTube. The fifth content idea is daily vlog. Many people want to see your behind the scene. Many people want to know what your life is like aside YouTube. So people enjoy daily vlog. It could be probably when you're waking up, what you do at home, or how you go to work. Like, people just want to see that part of your life, because a lot of people enjoy you being real. Daily vlog is another type of content that actually does well, although it can be very difficult. The sixth content idea you can also adopt is videos about best products under 10,000 naira, best product under 15k. I can remember when I shot a video concerning skincare product I got under 15,000 naira. That video actually did well. That video should be around, I think, 800 and something views now. I did it 2 weeks ago or 3 weeks ago. That video is around 800 and something views. Now, those kind of videos actually does well on YouTube. People are coming to make research on products, good products that they can get under their budget. The seventh content idea is simple basic tutorial videos. As the name implies, you're showing people how to do a particular thing for the very first time. It could be how to set up your video space for YouTube, how to decorate your room, how to do this, how to make this, how to cook that. So many people don't know how to do some things, and the first place, trust me, the first place they go to is YouTube. They don't go to Google for that. Going to do simple basic tutorial on YouTube is a very good content idea you can adopt for your channel. And the eighth content idea to adopt for your YouTube channel is how-to series. How to do this, how to do that, basically more like tutorial. Those kind of videos does well on YouTube. The ninth content idea, I feel like a lot of people don't pay attention to this, but the ninth content idea you can actually adopt for your channel is answering comments. Yes, so that's what we need to go through our comment sections after a particular video. You might see someone requesting for a type of video they want to start their YouTube channel. A lot of people want to start their own YouTube channel, but they are stuck on how to go about it and what to do, what are the steps to take. So how to get started on YouTube, doing that video, helping other people. I can remember that was the first video I dropped this year, I think. Yes, how to get started on YouTube. If you've not watched that video, I'm going to leave it here. I'm going to leave the link here so you can go watch it. And how to start your quality YouTube channel using your phone. Now, this type of content ideas does well on YouTube, trust me. It could be how to create a channel, how to make an intro, how to make an outro, how to come up with your thumbnails. Anything that has to do with general videos starting on YouTube is actually a very good content idea. I hope you've learned something from this video. I hope you've grasped some content you can actually adopt for your YouTube channel. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, don't forget to drop a comment. Also click on the red subscription button to subscribe to my channel if you're not yet subscribed. Turn on your post notifications so you get notified when I post a new video, and I will see you in my next video.